Alright, so before you actually begin to reassemble the clutch, just make sure you've soaked the clutch fibers in oil for some time before you put them back in. But once you've done that, you can go ahead and put the clutch fiber in, push it all the way back against the clutch basket. Then you can grab your clutch inner plate, which is the metal piece, line it up with the hub, and push it all the way back until it's against the clutch fiber. And repeat this process until you've gotten all your fibers and inner plates put back into the hub in the basket. And make sure that the order is correct. So starting from the back, it should be the clutch fiber, then the inner plate, clutch fiber, inner plate, and so on. Once you've got that done, you can put the clutch or the pressure plate back on. And then you can go ahead and put the springs back in their spot. And on my dirt bike I have 6, but it might vary for you guys depending on what bike you guys have and what year, but on mine I have 6. So once you've gotten all the springs put back in, you can go ahead and bolt them all down. And don't bolt them down too tight, but make sure that they're all snug. So this one's pretty much done, and I'll be back once I get the other 5 bolted back on. So I got the other 5 bolted on, and you're pretty much done if you've already finished this step, and you can go ahead and put the clutch cover back on, and you're basically done.